Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix desktop icons not working or not opening in Windows 11. First, we will restart Windows Explorer. This fixes most small desktop glitches. Press Ctrl, Shift, and S on your keyboard to open Task Manager. If you see the simple view, click More Details. Scroll down and find Windows Explorer in the list. Click on it once, then click Restart. Your screen may flash for a moment. After it reloads, check if your desktop icons work again. If your icons are missing or not clickable, make sure desktop icons are enabled. Right-click on an empty space on your desktop. Move your mouse to View. Make sure Show Desktop Icons is checked. If it is not checked, click it once, and your icon should appear. Next, check the desktop icon settings. Right-click on the desktop and click Personalize. Open Themes. Scroll down and click Desktop Icon Settings. Make sure the icons you want, like this PC or recycle bin, are checked. Click Apply and then OK. If the icons look blank or broken, the icon cache may be corrupted. To fix this, first press Windows and R on your keyboard to open the Run box. In the box, type %local app data % and press Enter. This will open the local folder automatically. In this folder, look for a file named Icon Cache. If you do not see it, click View at the top of File Explorer, then click Show and enable Hidden Items so all files are visible. Once you find Icon Cache, right-click on it and choose Delete. If Windows does not allow you to delete it, that is fine. Just close File Explorer. Now restart your computer. When Windows starts again, it will recreate the icon cache file automatically, and desktop icons should work normally again. Thanks for watching.